Hello friends, look at this modern and stylish e-commerce website. It is simple, stunning, clean, yet very effective in look and feel. And it is actually very fast. This is what we are going to target in this video, and if you are targeting to sell online or even a website for your client, watch this video until end. We are going to overview a very good e-commerce WordPress theme called Bitpan, and it is WooCommerce full site editing blog theme. So we have already discussed about the advantages using full site editing blog theme in earlier videos, and this is what you can use with the Bitpan, and you can launch your website very quickly without any technical skill or without any developer help at your own. So you can check all the details through the video description link, and you can buy the theme just for $39 through the video description link again. But yes, you need to watch this complete video to understand its complete features, the installation process, the functionalities that you can avail. And yes, once you are fine, you can simply go for installation, and I'm ready with this share hosting plan and core and press installation of WordPress. And you can also avail the same about the hosting. You can go for WP Themes website. Link has been given in the description. So let us begin the installation. We will discuss rest of the things during the video. Don't skip any part of the video. And if you are new to the channel, don't miss to subscribe. Let us start. I got the theme pack. In the theme pack, I have this installable theme file, just 20 MB in size, the documentation link, and the licensing part. And we can simply proceed to installation at this core installation, where we can head to the appearance section, themes, and here we have to add new theme. Simply upload the theme by choosing the installable theme file, that is bitpan.zip. Don't try to upload the complete folder, and it can be simply installed within few seconds only. So I'll show you the exact time. So it all depends how you are installing. I mean the environment that you are using. So it is very simple to choose the great hosting plan at WP Themes website, and a mentor can help you at IK program. So all the links can be available in the description. Okay, so theme got installed. We can go to the theme page just to check the details. Bitpan is here along with the default theme. I'm using version 1.1.0. So it is always important to get the latest updated version. You can only get the authentic and updated theme pack at themeforest.net, and the theme got released just a month ago. Okay, good. This is a new theme, and the versions releases are going on. It has been developed by Boli Theme, their elite author at themeforest.net, that is an Envato market. So you can check out all the details. But yes, we are mainly focused to the installation and understanding the features. So let us activate the theme, and after activation, we just need to install certain plugins. So let us see which plugins are here. Advanced Custom Fields ACF, popularly known as ACF, and the block visibility. Okay, good. Boli blocks. So it is to enhance the block features at the block builders. So light model block, the icon block, the WooCommerce itself, the mail poet, and the social sharing block. So all great plugins mostly are required to are recommended. We will install all these plugins in a single click to get the optimal feature at our website. And just in case if you are getting any message on the screen that may be showing, depends upon your environment that you are using, the server settings and all, that there is a critical error. So it's not like this. So it is very simple to install plugins. You can even install plugins one by one to avoid any error during the installation process. But yes, it is important to install all the plugins very clearly. So just two remaining. However, I can see some messages uh, which may be alert, but yes, I'm just ignoring so that we may reach to the activation of plugin after installation. So I'll go to the plugin screen. All installed plugins can be seen here, and all have been installed. So we can simply begin activating all the installed plugins. So this can be done in a single click, I believe. Okay, great. So activation is going on. I also wish to show you the time it is taking. So all has been installed and activated. even we found some alert. But okay, so let us set up the store very quickly. So just selecting the default things, and I don't need any of these plugins. So it is turning on the lights. It is necessary to install WooCommerce properly since we are targeting an e-commerce website. Okay, super fine. So we are fine here, and we have installed the theme along with all setup plugins. All has been activated successfully. Clear. So I can show you this is the the plugin screen. Right back to the dashboard, and now I can take a look up our website how it looks with the theme and all setup plugins. It is all here. So you might be wondering, I did not imported demo content. Yes. So I don't think it was required actually, but yes, we can check all the things, how we can proceed further. Now, I'm going to show you the wonder of FSE theme, particularly this theme. There is no need to import demo content data in this theme. So I am showing this very first time. There is no need to import demo content in this theme, and which prevents introducing redundant content at your website. An easier and more flexible solution to use the block pattern. So here is the details. I just opened the uh, file, that is the, I can show you the file, the documentation file basically. And this is the documentation file. We can check here how we can switch to patterns, and it is a block editor based theme, so you don't need to import demo content. You can simply bring the pages, so you can design your own pages, you can upload your products, but the core structure is well available here. So if we talk about the pages and all, so I can come back to the pages. Here are simple pages, so we can add a new page, and we can check what we can do with the patterns and blocks. So it is simple, very attractive, and to the point. So you can get these pages directly at your website. Like if you are willing to create a about page, so you can go for about page. Similarly, we have multiple page templates that we can say add a starter template. So like if we are targeting about page, so it is here. Simply click it, add a title, publish the page, and you're fine to go. So this is the advantage. Like we work in Elementor, so we have yet not installed it. This theme does not require any page builder, any Elementor, the WP bakery. It is full site edit block editor based theme, and this is the beauty of theme, and this is the advantage of using FSE themes. So you can all do in the block editor. This is why it is being so fast and so stable, and in the long term it is very stable. So you just need to use the blocks, relevant blocks, to style, to make pages, and of course for the product uploading, you need to go for product uploading. So like you can choose the product variations, like I can tell you about the products and its variations. So we can go back to the products or products. Here we can add new product. So there is no product in fact. So we can add physical product, like our variable product as required. So we can go for simple adding the product with all the uh, variables and the uh, features that can be used directly here in the product uploading page. And further, we have the video guides on the online that is available on the YouTube itself. So I'm not going to repeat the things, and it is available officially at Bitpan channel, I believe. I cannot play the video because it is going to be an issue for me. But yes, you can check all these videos because one by one, what actually you want to do. This is basically tutorial and it's specifically made for this theme. So you can add block patterns and choose the right blocks and how you can go for further customization. Like you can check the block customization, block editor, like things. and how to use view feature, the link control, and all these things. So all these things are very simple, and but yes, you have the complete tutorial, and you can go for reading or exploring those videos available officially in the documentation section of this Bitpan. So my objective is just to let you know about the theme and its simple and stunning installation process, and definitely you need to create your own pages and all, because there is no set of demo content with this theme. But yes, it is recommended to use FSE themes for WooCommerce or even the business websites, so that you can design at your own using the theme and the plugin functionalities. So you have seen already the features that can be used. And just in case if you need any support, don't hesitate in writing the comment section, or connect a mentor directly here on the live chat who can help you in every manner in your WordPress websites. You can design and launch your stunning website with Bitpan. So I feel we should continue discussing for next options for your wonderful WordPress website in the coming videos. And you are going to use this full site editing theme, but yes, you need to work more as comparison to ready to use bundled theme packs. I mean, and the custom development or custom page building is required here. And for other themes, you may get all complete set of demo content. It is totally your choice. FSE is technical advantage, and this is a best choice in terms of FSE blog theme for a e-commerce website. uh, you have options to choose and compare on the WP Themes website. Links can be followed in the descriptions, and you can definitely choose your dream website layout through this channel, through the mentor, or everything that you want to have for your WordPress website. Let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.